I visited the Marriott Edinburgh just before Christmas and I was so excited to share it with you at the time. But then I caught the festive flu, the cough, the sniffles, the croaky voice. I'm painting a real picture here, but you get the message. So this is long overdue. Because I had a great stay. And the Marriott had the most comfortable bed that I've slept in for so long. And please tell me I'm not the only one who does this. But do you ever check the beddings that you can buy it for yourself later? Well, I did because it was that good. The food was great too. After a day of shopping, we treated ourselves to such a lovely meal. It was just the right mix of indulgence and comfort. And then we had the spa in the morning. I'm such a big Elemis fan, so when I saw that they offered Elemis packages, I was sold. I booked a back and neck massage and it was amazing. You know that feeling where it's almost painful, but a good kind of painful? It was exactly what I needed, and to be honest, I could do with it again now. After the massage, I had a little dip in the pool to completely unwind before facing the long dreaded journey back to Aberdeen. Honestly, I wish I could go back to it right now. It was such a good escape.